3-stage filtration. Water flows through media layers to filter water and ensure a clean aquatic environment. Fast setup. Watertight canister lid lifts up for easy removal. Easy maintenance. Valve block for quick release to shut down water flow, separates from housing for quick, spill-free maintenance. 3 sizes available. Comes in 220 GPH, 360 GPH and 360 GPH sizes. Marineland Filtration Products. Count on Marineland brand for the most reliable, technically advanced aquariums and accessories on the market. From industry firsts to industry standards, Marineland products are designed with both performance and style in mind. We push precision and power beyond the expected and listen to our loyal customers to make our products even better. We do this because at the heart of our innovative spirit is a desire to help hobbyists everywhere do more, create more and, most of all, enjoy more. So whatever your customers are passionate about, freshwater or saltwater, big or small, beauty or science, help them make their aquarium their own. Make it Marineland. The Magniflow Canister Filter 220 uses a powerful, 3-stage filtration that is ideal for both fresh and saltwater aquariums. This multi-stage filtration ensures a clean and healthy aquatic environment. The canister lid ensures a watertight seal, while the polishing filter pad acts as a water polisher removing fine debris. The biofilter balls and ceramic rings provide a large, multifaceted surface for the growth of biospires. Black diamond carbon removes odors, discoloration and water impurities. Top reviews from the United States. Get for your turtle if you're looking for a cheaper filter. I purposely let my boy's tank get dirty for a week. I originally had extremely cheap Zilla filters and had to have 3 in a tank just to lower my cleaning to 3 times a week. But this filter, not even 20 minutes later, the whole tank was crystal clear. There is a little sand at the bottom of my tank from a gravel remove I did a week ago. The house was louder than expected. I saw a lot of reviews saying it makes no noise at all, but mine makes a small noise constantly that you can easily tune out. I don't have a cabinet to store mine under, so that might also be why I can hear it and others store theirs under the cabinet unable to hear it. Also, I was scared about buying this filter due to a bunch of people saying they couldn't get it to prime, but I watched a YouTube video of a guy, he only got water pumping through one tube, like what was happening to me. And he plugged it in and it finished the process for him, and me too. It was noisy and scary that I thought I might be breaking it in the process, but it worked perfectly and release and excess air out the output tube.